Sorry guys, I have to mute you.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sauk County and south central Wisconsin, Iowa County and south central Wisconsin until 10:45 p.m. At 9:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Boscoville, moving east at 50 miles an hour.
Boscobel.
Hazard.